unjamming a machine. Sometimes, a machine can get jammed because a piece of material is in the wrong position. You have all been instructed on what to do when your machine gets jammed, what tools to use, and who to ask for help if needed. You've also been told what not to do, what should be left to the mechanic, what guards must stay in place, and more. These rules were created by people who know what they're doing. Those who deal with these problems know very well. If you try to do what you've been told not to do, you are just asking for trouble. For example, on some types of punch presses, operators are given soft metal rods to help clear jams. They are usually made of aluminum or bronze. If one of these rods gets caught in the die, it simply bends. If used correctly, the operator's hands remain safe. The rod can be pushed under or through the guard, but the hands are protected. Now imagine that the jam can't be cleared with that rod. You think maybe a screwdriver or pliers would work to reach the jam. You lift the guard, even though you've been told never to do that. Maybe it works. But what happens if the press suddenly cycles? The die comes down on that hardened steel tool. It snaps. One or both dies shatter. Sharp metal fragments fly in all directions. The odds of escaping without injury are very low. Supervisor, give an example from your department that shows safe unjamming and the risks of doing it wrong. Some of you may ask, what if I follow the proper procedure and still can't unjam it? The answer is simple. Ask for help. Call your supervisor, a mechanic, or maintenance. They are trained and authorized to handle these situations. The key message is this: the moment you ignore the instructions, you're in danger. We know that the given method may not always work, but we would much rather have a trained person solve it than let you experiment and risk a serious injury. So remember these 3 rules for any jammed machine. First, use only the method and tools you were trained to use. Second, do not go beyond the instructions. Especially, do not remove guards or safety devices you've been told to leave in place. Third, if the procedure doesn't work, ask for help.